Sandstorms are a major source of destruction in many cities around the world. Family after family, city after cities are becoming the victim of this natural enemy. In many cases, villages had to be evacuated, residents had to become homeless, and in other cases, it created several health problems. Year after year, the cost of repairs of damages caused by the sandstorms have caused a burden in governments and citizens. So far, the only way to prevent this has been the use of petroleum, products such as used oil or tar. Chemicals and non-environmental materials cause more harm to the earth and environment. The ICSI has developed a combination of new techniques to prevent this problem. By using all-natural, environmental-friendly formula, the underground water will not be damaged. Soil will be enriched and movement of sand will totally be stopped. The ICSI has received a Geneva diploma and a gold medal. Now we will look at some pictures. As you are seeing, this is a natural sand with lots of dust. And this is a sand we mix with water and shoot in this particular area next to the natural sand. Our formula can be mixed with various natural colors with no chemicals. The gentleman is standing on our area and is touching the natural sand, which is not mixed with our formula. As you can see, he's pushing his finger through our area and is hard as cement. And also, heavy weight does not affect our material. As you see, the heavy weight does not affect the movement of the sand with our formula. It can hold more than 2 tons. Our formula is 1 inch thick on the natural sand. As you are seeing down below our formula, it is a natural soft sand. Basically, our material is like a sponge and absorbs it right away, and when the rain stops, it goes back to hard cement. As you are seeing, as the water is poured, it will lose immediately the hardness and turn into regular sand. And 1 inch below our formula, it is a natural sand. There you see our material, and below the line is the natural sand with our formula. If you look at it carefully, you will notice the water absorbs faster in our formula than the natural sand below the line. Here is a heavy wind blower that we are using instead of the wind. See what happens when we blow it on the natural sand. Now look at our formula. It stays in place, no movement. Here's another example. In each side, it is mixed with our formula, and in the center, it is a natural sand. Watch what happens when the wind is blown. We blew 6 inches deep off the natural sand. By the way, our company, ICSI, is a creator, which means Innovative Common Sense Inventions.